With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
So today's question is, in a triangle ABC, angle C is right angled. A and B are the legs and C is the hypotenuse. Find the third side if we have the following cases. So this is a right triangle having angle C as 90 degree. So in a right triangle, by Pythagoras theorem, we know that the square of hypotenuse is equal to square of base plus square of perpendicular. The Pythagoras theorem states that the sum of square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of squares of other two sides. So if we see in the first equation, now we have the hypotenuse C and the other two sides as A and B. So we can write this equation as C square is equal to A square plus B square. So for the first case, if we see, for the first case we have A is equal to 6 and B is equal to 8. Plugging in the values of A and B in this equation, we get C square as 6 square plus 8 square, which is equal to 36 plus 64. So C square is 100. This implies that C is equal to 10. So for first case, C is equal to 10. Now second case is A is equal to 5 and C is equal to 13. Now plugging in the values of A and C in this equation, we get C square, C square is equal to A square plus B square. This implies that B square is equal to C square minus A square. Now B square is equal to C square is 13 square minus 5 square, which is equal to 169 minus 25 B square. So B square is equal to 144, or this implies that B is equal to 12. Now third case is B is equal to 24 and C is equal to 25. So by Pythagoras theorem, we have C square is equal to A square plus B square, or this implies that A square is equal to C square minus B square. Now substituting the values of C and B, we get A square is equal to C square is 25 square minus 24 square. So this is equal to 625 minus 576. So we get A square as 49. This implies that A is equal to 7. And the fourth case is A is equal to 12 and B is equal to 9. So we have C square is equal to A square plus B square. This implies this is equals to 12 square plus 9 square, or which is equal to 144 plus 81, which implies that C square is equal to 225 or C is equal to 15. So we have C is equal to 10 B is equal to 12, A is equal to 7, and C is equal to 15. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.